Did you know there are Americans making thousands of dollars every month without a regular 9-to-5 job? From simple apps to online platforms, people are quietly building extra income streams you've probably never heard of. In this video, I'll show you 5 real side hustles used by people in the USA that actually pay. No fake promises, just smart ideas anyone can try. Let's get started. 1. Rent out your car. Turo and Getaround. The first side hustle is renting out your car on apps like Turo and Getaround. Instead of letting your car sit in the garage, let others rent it for a few hours or days. Many owners earn between $500 to $1,000 a month, and some even more if they live near airports or big cities. Just make sure your car is clean and insured. The apps handle the rest. 2. Share your Wi-Fi. Honeygain and PacketStream. Next is passive income with your internet for sharing unused internet data. You don't have to do anything, just install the app, keep it running, and earn $30 to $100 a month literally while you sleep. IT's one of the easiest passive income ideas out there. 3. Use AI tools for freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Jasper are changing how people earn online. Freelancers use them to write articles, design posts, and even make marketing content. If you post your services on Fiverr or Upwork, you can make $500 to $2,000 a month using free AI tools from home. 4. Sell digital products on Etsy and Gumroad. Digital products are booming. People create PDFs, planners, digital art, or templates and sell them online. Once uploaded, it becomes a source of passive income. You make money even when you're asleep. Etsy and Gumroad are perfect platforms to start. 5. Get paid to walk. Apps like Sweatcoin and StepBet pay you for walking. Every step earns coins or cash. Users make $50 to $200 a month just by walking daily. IT's literally getting paid to stay fit. These side hustles show that earning extra money doesn't always mean working harder. It means working smarter. So which one would you try first? Comment below and tell me. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new earning ideas.